Hello, my name is Regis Snyder, and today I'm going to go over the updates to our accountability chart. When you click on a seat, it will focus in on that seat and move it to the center of the page. Now you can isolate that seat by clicking the eye up here in the edit, and that will show just the seat and its direct reports. To go back to the full accountability chart, just click the show all and that'll take you back. We also have a compact view that will allow you to see the entire accountability chart on one page. You have the ability now to move seats horizontally on the accountability chart by clicking the arrows in the top of the seat so you can move left or right. You also have the ability to create seats that do not have a function and still be able to put the name and the roles in. You'll notice that there are now picture icons on all of the roles, and you do now have the option to put multiple people into a role. Now, when you go to print out the accountability chart, you can either hit Control P to print out the entire accountability chart, or you can go to the Export PDF, and that will allow you to print out the compact chart, or you can do department per page. I want to thank you very much and have a wonderful day.